When you're out here long enough, food stops being about cravings and starts being about decisions. What you carry matters. How it fuels you matters. And whether it keeps working hour after hour, that matters most. I started building these bars not because I wanted another energy bar, but because I wanted a system. Something simple, something I could trust. 3 bars, different rules, 1 full day of fuel. This is the 3-bar system, and here's why it works. All right, friends, let's talk numbers. So these 3 bars, the kombu, the sesame, the sunrise, these are designed to work together to give you the calories and the nutrients you need to power through a long day on the trail. They weighed in at 375 grams, and they have over 2,000 calories. So if you're looking for a 3,000 calorie input, this will take care of 2/3 of that. Pretty cool. As far as nutrition, the protein, you got 72 grams, so that's for recovery and muscle fuel. Carbohydrates, 280 grams, so that's more than half of what you need for your energy in the day. Fat, 100 grams, so dense calories, you got to replace what you burn. Fiber, 27 grams for digestion, for staying regular. And sodium, 1,100 milligrams. So that's just replacing the electrolytes you're burning when you sweat. Now let's talk calories per gram and see how these stack up against some of the commercial stuff out there. I had these laying around the house. A Cliff Bar. These have 4.2 calories per gram. The Pro Bar, 4.3 calories per gram. These 3 bars, they average 5.4 calories per gram. That means you're packing more energy in less weight. And in the world of backpacking, where every ounce matters, that adds up. That's pretty cool. All this being said, I'll be the first to admit that eating 3 bars every day for 4 days could be a bit monotonous, right? It's not a hard set rule. You could eat a half a bar, you could break off half, eat it, and eat something else rolling around your pack. Like if I have time, I'm gonna pack jerky for protein, I'm gonna pack mixed nuts for fat, potato chips or corn chips for carbohydrates, mixed fruits and veggies, or my weakness, gummy candy, that would go in my bag. But for me personally, I don't always have that luxury. Like with search and rescue, if I get a call out, I have to be out that door in like 2 minutes or less. I don't really have time for menu planning. I want to be able to grab a 3-bar kit and throw it in my response pack so that I know that I have the fuel I need to go out into the wild for who knows how long, and stay safe. The point of the 3-bar system isn't perfection, it's reliability. I don't eat these because they're exciting, although to me they are. I eat them because they work. Because when I grab my pack, whether it's for a long hike or a search and rescue call out, I know I've already solved the food problem. Each bar has a job. Together, they cover the day. Over the next few videos, I'll break down each bar, why it's built the way it is, how the ingredients function, and how you can make them yourself. For now, this is the foundation. Thoughtful fuel, built to be carried, built to be trusted. Alongside these, I'm also working on something seasonal, the Cascadia Biobar. It will feature foraged ingredients guided through the seasons, and later we'll make a batch together in real time. For more information about this or any of these recipes, you can visit my website, thekiltedhiker.com, and join our Cascadia collective. As always, thank you for watching.